Hey DIYers, George here from Alarm Grid. Today I'm going to be going over some Alarm.com cameras that will not just stream video but audio to the new 2GIG Edge panel. So the first thing you guys need to do if you guys are wanting to get cameras to stream to the new security system, you need to make sure, one, you have the 2GIG Edge, two, that you buy compatible cameras that will do the video streaming and the audio streaming to your panel, and three, that you have an actual subscription with the video service enabled. If you guys have a subscription with the video service enabled, all you guys need to do is pretty much pair the cameras to the Alarm.com website, enable the streaming to the panel, and we actually have a video on that as well. And once you enable the streaming to the panel, you guys will be able to pull up the cameras on your security system. And if you have a 2GIG Edge Remote Keypad, that keypad is really advanced and it can actually pretty much do everything that the 2GIG Edge system can do. It just cannot do the programming. That has to be done by the actual mother panel itself, by the brains of the system, which everything is relying on this security system. This is the brains of the whole security ecosystem. So programming would have to be done through this specifically, but the keypad, if you have any cameras enabled, will actually also stream the video as well. So real fast, I want to go over just some general video cameras. Typically the ones that will do the audio are going to be the indoor cameras. Those are the ones that do both audio and visual. The ones that are outdoor will typically just do the video only. If you actually click on the FAQ that's in the description, it'll show you a list of all of the cameras that are compatible with video streaming to the panel, and the top part of the list will have the audio and visual, and then the bottom one will be the visual only. All right. So real fast, this is an indoor camera here. It's the ADC-V523. This is an indoor camera, so it does do the two-way audio. It also has the video analytics. Another indoor camera that we have is the ADC-V515. This is actually going to be the first one that you're going to see. If you click on the FAQ, you'll see this is the first link, and we sell these on our website. So if you go to the link in the description, you can actually click on the cameras to open up the product page, and you can place your order or go through the description and make sure they fit the specs that you guys are looking for. But this one here, the 515, is also an indoor. You'll see one of the main differences is this one kind of has like a desktop mounting plate. This one has a mounting plate so you can put it up on the wall and you can swivel it down so you can angle it to cover certain areas. So since these two are indoor, they both do two-way audio. All right. Another indoor one that does two-way audio, again, I'm not showing you all of them, just giving you a couple of examples, is the Wellcam. This one is again, pairing it to Alarm.com. It does the two-way audio. It has smart notifications. This one is really good if you're trying to keep an eye on a family member and you're worried for any health reason or anything. Again, it's called the Wellcam, so it's just to check in on your family and make sure everyone is safe and sound. And then we have an outdoor camera. The outdoor ones are typically the ones that will do visual only. Yeah, video only. The one exception to the outdoor camera would be the video doorbell. The video doorbell is actually, I believe it's the only outdoor camera that will do two-way audio. So if you guys are getting the video doorbell, you can do the ADC-V515, the Alarm.com Skybell. Make sure it's the Alarm.com Skybell. A normal Skybell will not work. All right. So now what I want to do is just quickly show you. If you do click on the link in the description, it'll take you to our page. Let me pull that up. All right, so if you click on the link, it should open up a page like this. It'll show you the FAQ, and it pretty much covers everything that I've told you about needing a video subscription, about the audio being enabled. Some companies do have a limit on cameras. You want to make sure you check in with your company to see if they have a limit on your subscription. But you'll see here that the top of the plans, they have the video and the audio. And some of these are actually discontinued. So if you guys have some of these cameras from before, that's fine. They're still supported. They're just not sold anymore. The two that are discontinued that I know of are the 521 IR It says it's no longer sold by us. And then the 522 IR, which again is also no longer sold by us, and it links you to the ADC-V515, which is the first one on our list right here. And I showed that video, or that box, to you guys just a second ago. As you see, this was the one with the mounting that you can put it on a desktop somewhere, or like on a countertop. All right, you have the 523, which is the one that you can mount on your wall that you can swivel. You have the well cam, and then you have your video doorbells, right? So these are the ones that will support the audio and the video to the panel. The list at the bottom here are the outdoor cameras. These are the ones that only support video. All right, so only video will be streamed to your security system, no audio. All right, so make sure you look through this list if you guys are interested in getting cameras for your 2 gig security system. If you're monitored by us, you just need to make sure you have a platinum level plan, or it could be platinum or self-platinum, up to you guys, as long as you guys have a plan with video enabled. If you're not monitored with us, you need to make sure you check in with your company. Now, real quick, I want to show you guys an example of what the audio looks like on the system. So we have a video that shows you how to enable the streaming, so make sure you guys look out for that video if you guys need help enabling that. Once it's enabled, right, mine's already set up and ready to go, you're gonna, from the main screen, you're gonna hit Smart Home. After you select Smart Home, you're gonna go to Cameras. And from Cameras, every single camera that you have enabled for streaming should show up right here in this little menu as thumbnails. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the one that I have here in the video room with me so you guys can hear the actual audio. All right, I'm going to grab this little one right here. This is the one with the little desk mount, as you can see. All right, I'm going to mute it because if not, then you're going to hear a lot of feedback and echoes, and I don't want that for the video. And these little speaker holes in the back is where the audio is transmitted from, and then the front is obviously the camera. All right, so you have to press or hold to talk. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. You're going to talk into the Edge panel, and it's going to come out through the video camera. Testing 1, 2.
Testing 1, 2.
Again, testing 1, 2.
Testing 1, 2.
Yeah, and then I release when I no longer want to speak. So the video camera actually does the two-way audio. And again, any of the video cameras that you saw on that FAQ list on the top part will do the same two-way voice audio. All right, I'm just going to back out to my main screen now just because I'm done showing you guys the video cameras. But yeah, so if you guys need help finding cameras that are compatible, that will do the two-way audio, that will do the video, if you guys need a monitoring plan, please don't be afraid to email support@alarmgrid.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit the little bell icon so whenever we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm Jorge, and I'll see you guys next time.